Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2023. Ayan, general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mr. Queen PH, for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. For you, Scorpio, ito ang inyong Scorpio bracelet. Ayan, meron niyang smoky quartz, citrine, at black obsidian na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Scorpio. So, available to sa black na box. Meron din tayong white na box. Ayan. So, perfect siya pang regalo, no? And available pa rin naman yung naka-pouch. So, just in case na this is just for your personal use. Okay, so ayan, available na to sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, Scorpio, let's see. What's up? Ano yung energies for you ngayong December? For Scorpio. So, this is your overall energy, acceptance. This is your challenge, expanded awareness. This is your opportunity to shine. And then, your blessing is peace. Wow. Okay. So, for December, there is something that you will gladly accept, no? Tipong, tatanggapin mo ng buong puso. So, maaring part of your healing process na rin to. Yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo na makokontrol or wala ka nang magagawa, things that already happened in the past, and what you can do is to move on, no? So para maka-move on, you need to accept the fact. You need to accept the truth, okay? And this is also accepting yourself for who you really are and accepting the people na nasa paligid mo for who they are. So let's see, what is this? Anong energy na to? Queen of Swords. You are becoming more logical, and I think yung tipong may mga bagay na ayaw mo na ng drama sa buhay, no? Yung tipong, okay, kung ayaw niya, di wag, accept ko na. Okay, kung hindi to para sa akin, then yes, accept ko na. Ganon. Okay, so you will, kumbaga mas madali kang kausap ngayong December. Oo, mas madaling makipag-transact sa'yo ngayong December. So, yung challenge naman for you, expanded awareness. So, I think some of you, maaring challenging yung pagdadagdag nyo ng kaalaman or related rin to sa inyong spirituality. Maaring may mga bagay na kasi ang Scorpio is a fixed sign, 'di ba? So, may mga alam kayo or kaalaman kayo na pinaninindigan nyo na pwedeng ayaw nyo nang baguhin. Okay? So, ngayon, maaring challenge sa inyo na may baguhin sa mga bagay na pinaniniwalaan nyo noon pa. Pwede kasing may mga bagay na mahirap para sa inyo natanggapin, but eventually, you will accept that because maaring through the process, no, yung proseso na yan na pagdadaanan nyo is mas lalawak yung pananaw nyo sa buhay, and the more na lumawak yung pananaw nyo sa buhay, yung pagkakaintindi nyo sa buhay, mas madali na sa inyong tanggapin yung mga bagay na dati hindi nyo tinatanggap. You get what I mean? So, this is about you na learning that may mga bagay na kailangang magbago, may madadagdag, syempre, at ano yan para siyang ang tawag doon, yung nag-i-innovate, no? Part ng buhay natin is innovation. So, tatanggapin mo yan. O, Two of Wands. Some of you, isa sa innovation na magiging challenging sa inyo or pagbabago is yung pagbabago ng trabaho ninyo or lugar kung saan kayo nakatira or yung mga plano ninyo. Kasi pwedeng meron kayong plans before na hindi nangyari and maari ngayon iniisip nyo or tinatanggap nyo na baka hindi talaga para sa inyo. So ngayon, you are really trying to understand no yung situation na yan para mas madali for you na tanggapin. However, meron ka ritong opportunity to shine brighter. Mas maraming makakapansin sa'yo ngayon. The moment kasi na you become true to yourself, you accept things for what they are and who they are, mas lalo ka magiging authentic, no? Mas magiging totoo ka. So, I think you are going to gain a lot of attention ngayong December. People will try to notice you na para ka nag-glow, o diba? 3 of Cups, people will try to makikipagkaibigan sa'yo, no? Or you will have, mas lalong lalawak yung network mo, yung connections mo. You may be celebrating with your friends. Yung parang may pagka-carefree yung energy mo, no? So, you have this opportunity to connect with more people and have fun, okay? And express your individuality, yung totoong ikaw. And then your blessing is peace of mind. So dahil mararamdaman mo na parang na-accept mo na, natanggap mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong tanggapin for what they are and who they are. Then doon ka na magkakaroon ng peace of mind. And ang peace of mind is napakalaking blessing niyan. Dahil yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng kapayapaan ng isip, nakakatulog ka ng maayos sa gabi, clear yung isip mo, yung mind mo, and kapag clear yung isip mo, marami kang pwedeng magawa, marami kang ideas na papasok sa isip mo kasi hindi block, no? Walang blockage. So, let's see your blessing. Wow, lovers. So, some of you, maaring may blessing of new relationship, new connection, maari ding friendship ito. And for some of you, this is also contracts, no? Meron kayong papasuking kontrata, agreement, union, okay? Pwedeng business partnership for some of you. So, let's see what else for Scorpio. Wow, Ace of Wands. Meron kayong travel opportunities or new learning opportunities that makes you feel very excited. Yung iba may mga susubukang bagong libangan. Oo. Oh, wow. You have the Sun. This is ultimate happiness. I think yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo may balak na mag-travel ngayong December, yung mga destination na gustong-gusto nyo, mapupuntahan nyo. Lalo na yung mga gusto mag-Baguio dyan. Meron tayong mga sunflower dyan. Yung mga places na maraming flowers, nagbo-bloom yung mga flowers. Yan. And also, dun sa mga parts na kung gusto nyo mag-beach, one with nature. Ayan. Ang dami ritong pagsasalo-salo, no? So yung iba sa inyo may mga events kayong pupuntahan. Obviously naman kasi kapag holiday season, marami talagang pa-events 'yan. 8 of Wands, you're going to be very busy doing a lot of things, connecting with people. So, para sa mga introverted na Scorpio, medyo mahirap to challenge sa inyo. That's why nga, ang challenge sa inyo is expanded awareness na, kumbaga ma-realize nyo yung magandang kahihinatnan nitong pakikipag-socialize ninyo, no? So, I feel like you will be socializing more ngayong December. And with a Judgment card, I feel like meron kang babaguhin sa sarili mo na yung tipong kung ikaw medyo mahiyain, introverted, I think this December mas magiging outgoing ka. And at the same time, mas totoo ka sa sarili mo. So, syempre, you will be attracting people na in alignment of your energies. So, you will enjoy their company kasi pareho kayo ng mga trip sa buhay. 'Di ba? So, let's get more cards for you. Ano ba yung parating sa mga Scorpio ngayong December? Scorpio. Okay, may Camel. Sabi dito, persevere and you will overcome problems. Ayan. So, any challenges, ma-overcome mo, malalampasan mo, malulusutan mo yan. as long as meron kang perseverance, no? Determinado ka talaga na maayos masolusyonan yung mga problema mo. You also have Fox. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. So I think if you're into business, mas magiging ano ka ngayon yung parang strategic sa negosyo mo, sa finances mo. Maaring kung dati madalas ka magpautang, ngayon pipiliin mo na lang yung mga taong pautangin mo, or pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances mo, mas maingat ka na. You also have Carriage, a journey. Meron talagang travel opportunities for you, a journey, either physical or mental. So, pwede itong mga bagong learnings mo, or pwedeng travel opportunities din. Kasi pag mental journey, ayan yung pag-aaral no? Kasi marami kang mga natututunan, so marami ka ring mga nagiging bagay na nagiging aware ka. So you also have Pale, time to get out of a situation. So anything that is no longer serving your highest good, your highest purpose, you are leaving that, okay? Scorpio. So for you, gusto mo ng ng mga totoong tao. Yung mga talagang nag-align sa iyong authenticity, sa iyong energies. So, para naman sa love and relationship, so you have get to know. You might be getting to know someone ngayong December romantically, no? Maaring merong gustong makilala ka, no? Ng lubusan, wedding. This makes sense with the Lover's card. So, I think you are entering a very serious relationship. Ngayong December. Wow. There's also abundance. So, your needs are all met. So, I think some of you, mas lalo kayong ginaganahang magtrabaho, mas abundant yung life nyo dahil you are in love, or you are inspired, no? Ng mga tao sa paligid mo, mga mahal sa buhay mo. Someone is also interested in you, maaring inaalam yung mga ganap mo sa buhay. Someone might be stalking you, pwedeng kaibigan to, or someone who's very interested to get to know you. And then, sa naman, money, career, finances for Scorpio. December 2023. So, you have artisan. So, meron kang talents using your hands. Ayan, in creating something unique. Crafting, no? So dun sa mga interested sa crafting, maaring ikaw ay gagawa ng mga bagay na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Oo. So discovery, you are discovering more about yourself, yung mga talents mo, yung mga potentials mo, mga bagay na pwede mong pagkakitaan or gawing trabaho in the future, especially ngayong December. And self-made, ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas gusto na kayo ay walang boss because you are your own boss. Okay? And this is also doing projects independently. And some of you will experience financial freedom ngayong December. Ayan, may travel talaga, Scorpio, promise. Merong opportunity for you to travel for work or business. Some of you might be attending convention, training, so ipapadala ka sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa. Maganda to kasi ma-enhance yung iyong skills ngayong December. So, kumbaga maganda siyang panimula sa susunod na taon kasi may bago kang kaalaman, 'di ba? So, mag-open up yun ng mga bagong opportunities for you. So, final message for you. Trust. Approach the situation with a light heart. Yes, trust the process. Trust the situation because you will be led to your destiny kung saan ka mas mapapabuti. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.